Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.